Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have experienced at some point. Picture this. You try to open a file on your computer, but you keep getting an error message saying the file is too large to open. Frustrating, right? This is a classic problem that can occur when dealing with files that are just too big for your system to handle. But see or not, there's a solution to this pesky issue. Now, let's talk about the solution to our file size problem. The best way to tackle this issue is by splitting the large file into smaller, more manageable chunks. By breaking down the file into bite-sized pieces, you can easily work with each part individually without overwhelming your system. This solution not only allows you to access the content you need, but also prevents any potential crashes or errors that may arise from trying to open a single large file. So, remember, divide and conquer is the key here. In a nutshell, the solution to the file size problem is to split the large file into smaller chunks for easier handling. By following this simple step, you can avoid the headache of dealing with oversized files and ensure smooth operation on your computer. I hope this tip helps you out in your future file management endeavors. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy organizing!